Hi everyone, this is Puneet, and today I will explain concept of bureaucracy and bureaucracy accountability through the newspaper article. And the summary of the newspaper article is that in such a way that it begins with a brother who was unable to meet his brother who was on deathbed because of the COVID restrictions. Because of the COVID, it was mandatory that a person who is coming from US or any other country to Canada, he has to do 14-day quarantine. And so McDonald, the name of guy was McDonald, and he was US Canada citizen, and he lives in California. So he have to come to Canada to meet his brother. But in October 2, it was said that if it for like compensation purposes, then you need not to take the permission, and you need not to follow the same rules as other people, and you are not mandatory to do the quarantine. But still, after this decision was made, McDonald has to face a lot of problems. For example, on that hospital even told that we don't know who to contact on the basis of to whom to contact federal government. Even provincial government was not knowing that whom he should contact, and he was very surprised by knowing this. It tells that so here comes the problem of lack of bureaucracy accountability, that we don't know who to report to, and government is not taking care and is not properly accountable to the people. So after that, week later, when he got approval from uh, when he got approval from the federal government, he have to face a problem in the hospital. They said that you have to still wait. Uh, it's okay that you have got the permission from the federal and the provincial government, but you need to get the permission from the hospital. After hospital authorization, a nurse denied him to meet his brother. So this was all. So now, what is bureaucracy and what is bureaucracy accountability? A bureaucracy is basically a complex organization with multi-layer system and processes. The system and process that have been put in place effectively slow down decision making. So that's what because we can see that in this there was a bureaucracy, so that is why, because decision have to come from a complex organization and different sets of people, that is why there was slow decision making, and McDonald has to wait for a long time. And they are intended to keep the organization uniformity and control. A bureaucracy is basically a term which is used to describe the method that is used by the government and large organizations such as corporations. Other thing is bureaucracy accountability. Bureaucracy accountability, it is a liability assumed by all those who exercise authority to account for the manner in which they have fulfilled responsibility entrusted to them. So basically, for example, if we are voting to the government, they need to provide us with accountability because we have trust to with them. So if we are asking something, they should be accountable for them. If they said they have made a promise, for example, if Justin Trudeau is making a promise and he's not able to fulfill that, he is accountable for that because the citizen has trust in him. Importance of bureaucratic accountability. Bureaucratic accountability is very important because it allows an effective communication, because we know who to report to, and it also provide a clear cut things that what is being done to the citizen of the country. Accountability is an inclusive concept, but if we are able to understand that, it helps citizens find a way to hold government accountable. This is a way where we can hold government accountable if they're not fulfilling their promises. And now part three. So the concept of the bureaucracy and bureaucracy accountability as well explained in this article. Through this article, we come to know about complex organization. Bureaucracy is basically where the decision come from a complex form of organization. So in this, we can say that McDonald has to wait for a lot of time, and he has to go through bureaucracy, and he have to wait for a week just to get a simple decision. So here we come to we can say that there is a downside to the bureaucracy, and there are also the advantages of the bureaucracy. But through this article we come to know about the disadvantages of the bureaucracy, that it is very time consuming process. It takes a lot of time to get the decision in the bureaucracy. We know that it provide a structure and good flow of information, but sometimes it can be very time consuming. So the thing is that for the compensation purposes, like for example his brother was dying and he was unable to see him for so long. So and that is bureaucracy doesn't work. Bureaucracy is no longer should be not for these kind of purposes. It should be for the purposes, for the government purposes. But for example, if it is a matter of life and death, their bureaucracy doesn't work. So government should take decisions so that they can make it an easy process. And other thing is a bureaucracy accountability. And this we know that even McDonald's said that um, federal government and provincial government, like they were not knowing that whom to contact. So there was a lack of accountability. Even we don't know whom to report, who can be held accountable. Also, there was a lack of effective communication. McDonald don't know whom to contact, whom to know. So that is why these all concepts are well explained in this all article. Thank you.